Hello again. In this part, I'm going to show you a small example of code. I'm going to do a very simple code so that everyone can understand. First, what we're going to do is change the color and put it directly in white. Here I'm saving the progress. Now what we're going to do is going into the app.js, and below div class name, we're going to put a small h1. And in this h1, we're going to mark hello world. We're going to save, and here it is. Hello world is displayed. Then another quick and very easy example, we'll do the same. We'll just mark this time a P, and in this P we'll mark course react.js, and here you see we have our h1 which is displayed here and our course react.js which is displayed here. Now I'll leave it up to you. Good luck for your projects, and I'll